Hi guys. This is Dr. Vandana, and today I welcome you all in my homeopathic clinic series. So today we talk about a very good topic about what is homeopathy and how it works, what are its limitations, and what is the sphere of action of homeopathy in this uh, system of medicine. So the homeopathy is a holistic, logical, safest mode of treatment, and it is based on a natural law, that is law of similia, like cures like. And this system of medicine was introduced by Samuel Hahnemann, a renowned German physician more than 200 years ago. Is the most widespread in India subcontinent. Now, the cardinal principle of homeopathy, similia similibus curenta, which is more popularly known as law of similia, that means like can be treated by like. It signifies a system of treatment in which the prescription is based on similarity of the symptoms of the patient to those of the drug substance from the homeopathic materia medica. Similarity includes similarity of not only the presenting symptom, but also of their modalities, constitution, temperament, exciting and fundamental cause as well. It refrains from including the similarity of remedy with a nosological diagnosis. The fundamental principle of homeopathy, it includes law of similia that we discuss is like your like, the law of minimum, that is the minimum doses can be used in treatment of medicine to avoid the medicinal aggravation or drug aggravation. And these medicines, the third one is principle of drug proving, and these homeopathic medicines are proved on human beings, on healthy human beings, so that, and the medicines are dynamized to the highest level, that include the principle of drug dynamization. So guys, that we know about the homeopathy and how does it work, what are the principle on which homeopathy works. And now we talk about how it works. In this, the homeopathy includes a very vast case taking of the patients. That includes his presenting complaint, his previous history, his medical history, his parental history, and the aggravation modalities, mental symptom, and physical symptoms. The case taken is drug, and the drug picture is made out from the case taking by the homeopathic physician. On this case taking, a drug is chosen and potency is chosen on the basis of patient constitution, his physical appearance, then it is given to the patient. So it is a very good science, and it is the most safest and economical these days. And you can go for this homeopathic treatment. Homeopathic medicines can be taken in various acute and chronic diseases, that is the hypertension, diabetes mellitus, sinusitis, adenoids, tonsillitis, psychological disorder, depression, and anxiety, stress. This can also include skin disorders like uh, sleeplessness, behavior disorder, and nocturnal enuresis. Uh, it had wide sphere of action on female disorder too, like dysmenorrhea, menstrual irregularities, fibroids, and infertility and sterility. So, guys, that's all for today for about the homeopathic. And the homeopathy has no side effects. And by taking the homeopathy, your immunity is boost, and automatically your own body annihilates the disease itself. Thank you guys for watching my video.